when you come to me, I'll make it so you never baby. Can you fuck with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So for starters, I'm going to be rinsing out this Cardi B hair mask. I left it in for about an hour. This mask has actually grown my hair, y'all. Like, it's crazy. I literally use it every 2 weeks now before a wash day, so I highly recommend. Next, I'm going in with this olive shampoo. I actually got this off of Amazon. I was actually surprised with this shampoo because most shampoos dry your hair out. This one does not. I was shook. So if you guys are looking for a shampoo that's not going to dry your hair out, you guys should try this out. Now I'm going in with this Tresemme Curl Hydrate Conditioner. This conditioner leaves my hair with a lot of slip, which makes it super easy for me to comb my hair out. Next, going into the detangling process, I am going to be putting my hair in 8 sections and combing it out and then putting it into twists. Now I'm going in with this dimming brush. Usually I finger detangle though, you guys. Today I honestly didn't feel like it. That is a key reason why I believe that my hair has grown though, because I have been finger detangling. But today I used my dimming brush. Once I'm done detangling, I put my hair up in a bun and I leave the conditioner in my hair for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I begin to finger detangle a little bit and then I'll follow up with the dimming brush just to make sure I didn't miss any knots or anything. Just make sure that my hair is brushed out completely. Finishing off, I always rinse my hair out. Always with like ice cold water, you guys. It's just better for the hair shaft. Locks in moisture. It's just really good to rinse your hair out with super cold water. So to prevent frizz, I always use a cotton t-shirt when it comes to drying my hair. If you guys also have a microfiber towel, I highly recommend for you guys to use that as well.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Okay guys, so I'm fresh out the shower, you feel me? I did a little These are the products that I use. I only use 2 main products, literally only 2. Well, pretty much 3 because I use an oil as well. So starting off, I use Curl La La by Aunt Jackie's. This is so bomb. If you guys haven't heard of it, I put you on because this curling custard, curling cream, it is so hydrating for my hair. It's amazing. I've been using this for almost a year now, I believe. It's the best. It's the best, hands down. And the second product that I use, everybody knows what this is. This is Eco Styling Gel. This is like one of my holy grails. I love this stuff so much to slick my hair, for styling my hair, my curly hair routine. I use this for everything. And lastly, I use Milele Nzuri hair growth oil. I will be featuring that at the end of the video because I use that when my hair is dry, before I separate my curls. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so I had a t-shirt on my head. I did change the t-shirt because the other one was really soaked and I had to like absorb all the water even more. So I used my old little middle school t-shirt or whatever. I also use gloves because I don't like when conditioner gets stuck all in my nails and it's just too much. So I always wear gloves when I do my curly hair. So this is how my hair is looking fresh out the shower with no product in it. Now I'm going to be spraying a little bit of water in my hair from the spray bottle. If you guys are interested in the spray bottle, I will be linking it down in the description down below. Now I'm going in with Curl La La. A little does go a long way with this stuff, so I do use like a quarter size for each section. After Curl La La, I go in with Eco. I use a quarter size amount with this as well. Little does go a long way with this. You do not want your hair to be weighed down with too much gel. So just make sure that your curls are defined and you use, as much as your hair needs. I'm also going to be finger coiling my whole head of hair. I don't do this all the time. Sometimes I do, you guys, if I really want my hair to be defined, because my curls are already super defined. But if you really want that look of like every single curl is perfect, you better finger coil, baby. Moving on, I literally do this same method throughout my whole head of hair.
But she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from riding guns, drugs, violence, violence. Oh, won't let you go, won't let you go.
So this is my hair completely done. I am going to sit in front of the fan for about 2 hours and then I'll come back to you guys when my hair is dry. Now that my hair is dry, I'm going in with this Milele Nzeri hair growth oil. Milele Nzeri means forever beautiful in Swahili for those that are wondering. I'm so excited for this oil to drop. So we have 2 oils coming out. It's the Hibiscus hair growth oil and the Rosemary hair growth oil by Milele Nzeri. What I love most about these products is that it's 100% natural and it leaves my hair extremely soft and moisturized, and my curls are so bouncy and beautiful. Just by using this product consistently, my hair has grown and became thicker in literally the span of 2 weeks. If you guys are interested in purchasing these products, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on my notification bell, because I will be posting hair videos every single week promoting this oil, and you guys can get it as soon as it drops. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.